Hello friends, welcome to Deciment channel. Today I am going to make chocolate primer cake. It's a glitter cake. It's a different cake and its kids love to eat. I am going to show you how to make a glitter at home for cake decorating. It's easy to make for beginners. Let's get started. Here I am going to take chocolate premix flour. It's easy to make. You don't have a lots of ingredients to do it. First of all, squeeze a flour. Here I am going to take a bowl and squeeze the flour first. If any crumbs was there, it will be left it. Take up 350 ml measure for the half kg cake. It will be going to be a perfect measure for your double layer cake. Add 2 tablespoons of oil and mix it well. Evenly mix the flour in a perfect manner. Now I am going to add water for the perfect consistency of a batter. Constantly stir it because it should be no lumps remain in it. If you have the electric whisker, you can use it for the perfection of a batter. You can see the consistency of a batter. It's a perfect batter for the cake making. Now it's time for baking. I am going to oil grease in cake mold. After greasing oil, tap a flour, spread every corner of a mold. It should be perfect coating of a butter paper. It will work not to stick your cake to the mold while baking a cake. Now pour a batter in a cake mold for baking. Spread butter evenly all sides of corner in a mold and tap to remove bubbles from the cake batter before baking. Preheat a pan 5 to 10 minutes before baking a cake. In a pan, I am going to bake a cake, so that preheat a salt. For the perfect baking, it should be done. Close the lid to get heat from all the sides. Here I am going to place a ball in a hot water for the melting chocolate, double boiled chocolate for the icing of a cake. After melting a chocolate, let's cool down it. Now I am going to add a fresh cream for the whipping. Here you have to use an electric whisker for the whipping of cream. Perfect icing cream is done. Now it's time to assemble. Now I am going to make glitter for primer cake. I took 2 tablespoons of corn flour, adding water in it. Stir constant, evenly let corn flour mixed with the water. Next, I heat the pan. Boil the corn flour to become a thick layer paste. Here you can see the texture of corn flour. Stir constantly to avoid the lumps. It's perfect done for the glitter. Gas flame should be high. Now I am adding the color. I have a blue color. If you have any other color, you can use it. Once again stir constantly so it can color mix with the corn flour properly. Now you can see the plastic layer crust side of the pan. Easily it comes out, means the paste of the glitter is perfectly ready. Off the gas flame now. Let's cool it down at least half an hour for become a dry crust. After dry, it should be like this. So you can now crush this into the mixie ball. Now you can see the perfect glitter done for the primer cake. The texture of the glitter is perfect. It's sticky too. Here we go now for assembler cake.